Of all the things in the family garden, Bonnie loved the orange and black monarch butterflies the best.
Mom, there are airplanes in the garden.
This whimsical, beautiful book gives you a rare gaze into the world of an inquisitive child who makes believe butterflies are airplanes and flowers are airports.
The ladybug flight attendants serve cheese sandwiches to the passengers.
Bonnie discovers much more than she could have ever imagined. She sees with her own eyes the miracle of the monarch butterfly's life cycle. From egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to beautiful butterfly.
Oh, fly away, fly, we say. Everybody fly one day. The caterpillar can only crawl, but the butterfly flies away.
Airplanes in the Garden, Monarch Butterflies Take Flight by author Joan Calder is an educational peek into the fascinating splendor and facts of the transformation of the monarch butterfly.
Oh, fly away, fly, we say. Everybody fly one day. The caterpillar can only crawl, but the butterfly flies away.